Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the display's weight and mount type so you can plan safe handling. This matters because different mounts release differently. Once done, power down and unplug every cable and label them for reassembly. Make sure 2 people are ready, one to support the screen and one to operate fasteners. Show the helper where to hold the panel. Now remove any external components like soundbars or base stands. These are often the first obstructions to clear. You now locate and remove the screws or bolts that hold the TV to the wall bracket. Do this methodically and place each fastener where you can find it. Once those are out, release the mounting latch or unscrew the adapter plate. Some systems have safety pins you must depress first. Make sure to communicate with your partner. One holds steady while the other eases the screen off. Lower the display slowly, keeping it vertical until clear of the bracket, and then tilt onto a padded surface to avoid panel damage. You finish by setting the TV onto a flat, padded surface and reinstalling any stand or base if you plan to use the unit immediately. This protects the screen and keeps ports accessible. Then inspect the mount and TV for damage, store the hardware together, and reconnect cables to test functionality. If the display doesn't detach, don't force it. Instead, stop, look for hidden screws or locking tabs, try a penetrating spray on tight bolts, and call for a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.